y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Sephora haul. I'm really not in the mood to go into the store, and I also don't want to wait to get my items in the mail, so I will be trying out Sephora's same day delivery service. So that's pretty much what we will be doing in today's video. I'm pretty much repurchasing some items, and I might pick up a few new ones, so let's just get started. Okay, so first item I want to pick up is the new hair in body mist by Sol de Janeiro. I want the tropical nights one just because I feel like the notes that I read sounds like something that I would actually be interested in, and these has been selling out pretty fast. Hopefully the one that I want is actually in stock. Okay, so this is the one that I want. I'm hoping it's available for same day delivery. These are a limited edition. I think once summer's over with, they're pretty much gone. So I really want to get my hands on one before it's too late. Okay, so now let's go look at skincare. I am going to repurchase another vitamin C serum from Glow Recipe. I've been loving that vitamin C. This is like, I really don't know how many times I've repurchased it, but I do know that I actually really like it, and I see a difference in my skin every time I use it. So I would highly recommend this for all skin types. Like, you really see a difference as far as like hyperpigmentation right away. Okay, so next thing I think I'm going to purchase is the new overnight mask by Farmacy. It has like 10% niacinamide in it, and I just heard that it's really great for your skin as far as like large pores and texture. So I'm hoping my skin actually likes it and I don't have like a crazy reaction to it. So let's see if it's available for same day delivery. Also need another setting spray from One Size. I think I just spoke about this in my video for setting sprays and primers. This is a really good setting spray. Would highly recommend it if you have oily skin. Like, trust me, this is just everything, and it is perfect for hot, humid weather. I've been wanting to try out the One Size blurring makeup magnet primer. Y'all let me know in the comment section if it's any good. Have you tried it out? Like, what was your experience with it? Because I'm really thinking about getting it, but I do want to try out the new milk primer, so I don't know. So I've been eyeing this milk new matte primer just because I did like the Hydro Grip primer a lot. So this one is supposed to be really good. I don't know, should I get the full size or a mini size? I don't know. Yeah, that's a really good question. Which one should I get? And I do want to try out the Hourglass primer because I've been hearing good things about it, but I don't want to pay all that money for a primer. And I just bought the Tom Ford primer, so I don't know, y'all. But I know I'm not getting this. I do want to try it out eventually, but not today. And I also want to pick up the Tom Ford Soleil Blanc perfume just because I have the Soleil Blanc body oil. I have the mini size and I use it quite often, and I've had it for a year and it lasts a pretty long time. It smells really good, but you want to know what it smells like? It smells a lot like Replica Beach Walk. So I don't know if I want to get the actual perfume or the toilet version. I don't know. Whichever one is cheaper, most likely is what I'm going with, because Tom Ford is kind of pricey, and I feel like this is a fragrance that you really wouldn't wear all year long. You will mainly wear it during the summer months, so that's why I don't want to spend a lot, because I'm only going to be using it maybe spring, summertime. And I've also been looking at the Pat McGrath, this blush highlighter duo. I think that's what it is, but it's like I don't use the blush that I have by Pat McGrath a lot now. Like, I hardly use it. And one of the main reasons why I don't use it is just because I don't like how it smells. that blush have a scent to it that I just don't like at all. Alright y'all, so it is time to check out. It says I should receive everything by 3 p.m. So hopefully we'll see if everything actually comes at 3. They don't make any mistakes. So yeah, let me check out right quick. Hey y'all, everything I purchased just arrived. It is now 12:46. Only one thing, they did contact me to let me know, which was the hair and fragrance mist, the Tropical Nights. They didn't have that in stock, so they did let me know, and they also refunded me my money. So let's just check the bag to make sure everything that I ordered is actually inside the bag. And it came really quick because at one point they did update the time for arrival to 8 p.m. So it came way before I expected it to, so that's a plus. So the first thing I did order was the One Size setting spray, so that is correct. That is in the bag. In the bag is the Farmacy 10% Niacinamide night mask, so that is also correct. I ended up ordering the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Fluid Powder Foundation. This is pretty much a replacement of the one I just threw out in my declutter video. The Milk Matte Primer. I don't know why I expected this to be in a much bigger box. At first I was looking like, did I order the mini size? I don't know, I just was expecting this to be a lot bigger. Let's open this up. The Milk Mattifying Primer looks kind of small. I don't know how I feel about this, paying $36 for something that is tiny like this. This looks like it would be a mini size. It better be good. It better be worth the $36 for the amount of product that's in here. The Glow Recipe Vitamin C Serum that I always order every time I run out. And lastly, Ford Soleil Blanc perfume. Pretty much everything that I ordered, they didn't make any mistakes. I didn't have any issues with them finding my address and delivering the actual bag. So that's a plus. I definitely will be using Sephora same day delivery again, and they only charged me $6.95 as a delivery cost, so that wasn't too bad. That is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Y'all let me know in the comment section, have you tried out any of these products and what were your experience with them? And most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.